Hello everyone, this is PK Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have for you another drawing video for you, and this will now be the completed colours of my earlier picture of He-Man. I've been a bit late with this one because I've been producing other videos and this picture took me a bit longer to complete than original planned. But here now you'll see on the screen the original drawing that I did a while back, and of course you can click on the channel to see the original drawing video for this picture. And now in this current video you will see me add the various colours, inks and tones to complete this picture. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you will enjoy this, and also let me know if you have a favourite character from any comic book or franchise that you would like to see me draw in the future as well. I always do these pictures in my own particular style, and I'll always show you the pencil and inks first and then do the colours in a separate video. But if you've been watching my channel for a while now and you like to see me produce all of the pencil, inks and colours in one particular video, then just let me know in the comments below, or if you have any other suggestions or feedback on my artwork, then you can also contact me on my social media via my Instagram or my Twitter, my Facebook or my Deviant. You can see links for all of these on my channel page as well, and you can see other drawing videos on the drawing playlists within the channel as well. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Future drawings coming soon will include Battle Angel ALITA, One Punch Man, The Flash and Supergirl. So those are the next 4 coming up on the list very shortly, and I will also finish off the colours to my earlier picture of Ayla Secura from Star Wars as well. But as I mentioned before, let me know if you have any suggestions or any other characters that you'd like to see me draw in the future. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay at safe distances and enjoyed my coloured version of He-Man.